Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, the author of UC Burmese and Survival Burmese, both from Tuttle Publishing. Glad to have you along for another Burmese lesson. Take a look at this headline that talks about the recent chaos at the airports. In Burmese, it reads, Coronavirus Kobe Shimashi Europa Kidwarego Sisemu Jaungt American Lezetwe Pyo Pye Pit. Let me read it one more time. It's a rather long title. Coronavirus Kobe Shimashi Europa Kidwarego Sisemu Jaungt American Lezetwe Pyo Pye Pit. It means because of inspections on whether European travelers have COVID or not, US airports were chaotic. This title makes this point by using the particle Jaungt, because of, highlighted in the screenshot here. Now you can see the same particle used here in the same fashion in this headline. Spain night COVID-19 ကြောင့်သေဆုံးသူ1002ဦးရှိပြီး Thai night တရက်အတွင်းကူးစက်ခံရသူ89ဦးရှိ It means in Spain, because of COVID-19, the number of deaths has reached 1,002. Again, you see it uses the particle jaungt to identify the cause of the misery in Spain. This is the focus of today's lesson, how to say because of X or because of Y using the particle jaungt or jaungt. Let's start with something very simple. This song title reads, A Chit Jaungt by Kyaungt B. The title reads, A Chit Jaungt, and it is by a singer named Kyaungt B. A chit is love, noun form. Jaungt is because of. So the title is simply because of love. A chit jaungt because of love. Now that you have identified love as the cause, you can add something else that happens as a consequence. For example, a chit jaungt ကျွန်တော်ရင်ခုန်တယ် A chit jaungt ကျွန်တော်ရင်ခုန်တယ် A chit jaungt because of love ကျွန်တော်ရင်ခုန်တယ် I'm excited, nervous, anxious. Now, I said ကျွန်တော် because that's the polite pronoun for men. If you are a woman, you should say ကျမ You should say a chit jaungt ကျမရင်ခုန်တယ် instead. Yin Kong literally means the heart is jumping. Yin is the noun, heart. Kong is the operative verb, to jump. It's similar to how English speakers might say my heart is pounding or my heart is beating fast. The negative form of Yin Kong is Yin Makong Bu. Yin Makong Bu. The heart is not jumping. Here is a similar song title. It's called Min Jiang Yu, and it's by the singer named Alin Ta. Min Jiang is because of you. Me is the informal pronoun meaning you. Min Jiang makes it because of you. You is the verb to go crazy, to go insane. As a song title, the fragment is fine, but if it were a formal sentence, you'd have to put some kind of formal sentence and particle. It could be, for example, Min Jiang you be, I've gone crazy because of you. The particle be at the end marks the event as something that has started to happen. So how would you say, for example, because of coronavirus, I cannot go to work? Coronavirus ကြောင့်ကျွန်တော်အလုပ်မသွားနိုင်ဘူး Or if you're a woman, you'll say coronavirus ကြောင့်ကျမအလုပ်မသွားနိုင်ဘူး Let's break it down here. Coronavirus ကြောင့် is because of coronavirus. ကျွန်တော် is the polite pronoun for I, male. ကျမ is the polite pronoun for I, female. အလုပ် means work. Mathwa is the negative form of the verb thwa, to go. Nine is the auxiliary verb can. Bu is the negative sentence end. Put them all together. If you're a man, you'd say coronavirus ကြောင့်ကျွန်တော်အလုပ်မသွားနိုင်ဘူး If you're a woman, you'll say coronavirus ကြောင့်ကျမအလုပ်မသွားနိုင်ဘူး How about saying because of coronavirus, the economy might suffer? Coronavirus ကြောင့်စီးပွားကျဆင်းနိုင်တယ် Coronavirus ကြောင့်စီးပွားကျဆင်းနိုင်တယ် Again, coronavirus ကြောင့် is because of coronavirus. စီးပွား is economy. ကျဆင်း is the operative verb here. It means to fall, to decrease, or to decline. Nine is the auxiliary verb can. In this case, it's used to indicate a possibility rather than a capacity. Dare is the affirmative sentence end. Put them all together. Coronavirus ကြောင့်စီးပွားကျဆင်းနိုင်တယ် Because of coronavirus, the economy might decline or take a turn for the worse or suffer. Let's try saying because of commodity prices, the people are in trouble. ကုန်ဈေးနှုန်းကြောင့်ပြည်သူတွေ ဒုက္ခရောက်ပြီကုန်ဈေးနှုန်းကြောင့်ပြည်သူတွေဒုက္ခရောက်ပြီ commodity prices ကုန်ဈေးနှုန်း so you say ကုန်ဈေးနှုန်းကြောင့် to say because of commodity prices ပြည်သူတွေ or ပြည်သူတွေ is the public the people ဒုက္ခရောက် is to get into trouble you can further break this compound verb down ဒုက္ခ is the noun misery Yauk is the operative verb to arrive, to get there. Sort of imagine getting to the point of misery as if you are getting to the point of your destination. B is a different pronunciation of be, the sentence and particle that indicates the event has already started to happen, has come true. Put them all together. Gong zai nong jiang, bidu de dokha yauk bi. Because of commodity prices, the people are in trouble. One important note here, if you are going to use the particle Jaungt or Jaungt to identify the cause of something, the cause you are identifying has to be in noun form. Let's say you want to say, because I'm not feeling well, I cannot go to work. Not feeling well is ne makang, but you cannot say ne makang Jaungt chano alo matwa naing bu. Ne makang Jaungt chano alo matwa naing bu would be grammatically incorrect. You have to find a noun form to state your cause. You might say instead, because of fever, I cannot go to work. Fever is a pya in Burmese. So you can say, a pya jaung chano alo matwa naing bu. A pya jaung chano alo matwa naing bu. I live in San Francisco, a city that has been under lockdown for more than 2 weeks now. The cause, as you can guess, is the coronavirus outbreak. So in Burmese, I'd say, coronavirus jaung chano apien matwa bu. Coronavirus jaung chano apien matwa bu. Coronavirus jaung is because of coronavirus. Chano is the polite first person male pronoun, I. Apien is outside. Matwabu is the negative form of the verb thwa, to go. So put it all together, coronavirus jaung chano apien matwabu. That's it for this episode. Stay safe, be careful, and I'll see you later. Namatwime. Bye-bye.